Hey guys, so this is your live look at the Pixel 8 Pro in greyish black color finish. We have a massive camera module containing a lot of sensors. There's Samsung GN2 main, there's super wide and a periscope camera with dual laser autofocus, mic, flash and thermometer body heat scanner.
Meet Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Engineered by Google, with AI controlled by you. Does amazing things, so you can capture the cosmos, create the right light.
Both these got flat edge finish similar to what we saw in the Samsung S22 Plus but with Quad HD Plus max out resolution and high refresh rate. Some news coming in, the Pixel 8 is coming with a 4575 mAh battery. The Pixel 8 Pro gets a 5050 mAh battery which is massive. The icing on cake is there's 27 watts of fast charging in the Pixel 8 and 30 watts in the 8 Pro with 23 watts of wireless charging.
Titan M2, Tensor G3, and a built-in VPN help keep your info secure. And Safety Check has your back.
So this all combined is for sure gonna provide best battery life and great performance. The Pixel 8 is coming at $699 which is a great deal, and the Pixel 8 Pro is coming at $899 similar to what the iPhone 15 Plus cost. The Pixel 8 devices might finally offer 5 years of OS and likely 7 years of security patches. Samsung and OnePlus are offering 4 years of OS and 5 years of security patches, so Pixel is gonna surpass them this time and provide us with the best software support, giving a tough fight to the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Like this, something which can give a tough fight to the Apple iPhone 15 in terms of design, in terms of software, in terms of the specifications.
Meet Google Pixel Watch 2. Help by Google, health by Fitbit.
The second gen Pixel Watch is coming too. It is slimmer than the Pixel Watch and got new color finish too. So amazing devices coming really soon and I just cannot wait to try out these devices. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.